Everyday English. Mastering phrasal verbs in your daily routine. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be tackling a topic that's essential to becoming proficient in conversational English. Phrasal verbs for daily routines. Phrasal verbs are unique to the English language and often prove challenging for learners, but don't worry. We'll break them down together, step by step. Before we dive into specific examples, let's refresh our understanding of phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition or both. The resulting combination creates a meaning different from the original verb, which can often seem confusing at first. Examples include wake up, look after, or check out. Let's begin by looking at some common phrasal verbs we use in our morning routines. 1. Wake up, to stop sleeping. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. 2. Get up, to rise from bed. For example, I get up right after I wake up. 3. Brush up, on, to quickly improve a skill or refresh your knowledge of something. For example, I brush up on my Spanish vocabulary while having breakfast. Next, we'll discuss phrasal verbs typically used during daytime routines. 1. Go on, to continue. For example, I go on with my work after lunch. 2. Check out, to examine or look at something. For example, I check out the news during my break. 3. Catch up, with, to update one another on life events. For example, I catch up with my friends in the evening after work. Finally, we'll delve into phrasal verbs often used in our evening routines. 1. Wind down, to relax and stop doing things after a lot of hard work. For example, I wind down by reading a book before bed. 2. Turn in, to go to bed. For example, I usually turn in by 10 p.m. And that wraps up our lesson on phrasal verbs for daily routines. Remember, these are just a few examples, and there are many more phrasal verbs out there. The key to mastering them is practice and context, so try to use them in your daily conversations and soon, they'll become a natural part of your English language skills. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video was helpful. Until next time, keep practicing, and you'll be a master of phrasal verbs before you know it.